Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your StockX username. And the reason for this is whenever you create an account, most likely it's going to generate this long username for you. And it might not be something that you want to use, or you simply may find it too long. So you want to rewrite it or remake it to make it something of your choice. So let's go ahead and change that. Once you're signed in, hover over your profile in the upper right and just go to profile. And in this section, what you're going to see is you're going to see your profile at the top. You'll have your personal information. It actually covers all of this. So you want to go ahead and click and edit. So once you edit this section, guys, you have your username and you can easily go ahead and change this. So if I don't want this long username, I can say, for example, Andrew or Drew tutorial. Let's make that. Let's say I want to say Drew Toots, for example, and I can say, I don't know, 101, for example. And if that's what you like, just go ahead and try to save. If it's available, it will allow you to save it, and it's going to quickly update your username. And as you can see, it actually takes it, and that's how you actually update your username, guys. Very easy and very simple.